How often do you consider that the device you're using right now might be smarter than you? A provocative thought, isn't it? Yet it's not entirely far-fetched. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming increasingly interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives. But what's the reality of AI? There are many misconceptions floating around, and today we're here to separate the wheat from the chaff. So, let's dissect the truth from the myths about artificial intelligence. When you hear artificial intelligence, what comes to mind? A friendly robot or a dystopian future? Let's take a moment to examine a couple of common misconceptions about AI. One of the most popular myths is that artificial intelligence will replace all jobs. This is an oversimplification. While AI has the potential to automate certain tasks, it's not about replacing humans, but rather augmenting our abilities. Think of it as a tool that can help us work smarter, not a threat to employment. Another misconception is that AI is only used in high-tech industries. This couldn't be further from the truth. From agriculture to healthcare, from finance to entertainment, AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives, often in ways we don't even realize. It's not just about fancy robots or futuristic technology, it's about practical applications that can make our lives easier and more efficient. And then there's the idea that AI is infallible, a perfect entity devoid of errors. This, too, is a misconception. AI, like any tool, is only as good as the data it's trained on and the algorithms it uses. It's not infallible, and it's not a silver bullet solution to all problems, so as we can see, these common misconceptions about AI paint an oversimplified and often inaccurate picture of what it truly is. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human capabilities. It's here to assist us, not to render us obsolete. But what does the reality look like? In reality, artificial intelligence is not as ominous or as omnipotent as it is often portrayed. Yes, it's true that AI has the capacity to perform tasks that would take a human hours, days, or even weeks. But it's important to remember that it's just a tool, one that we've created to augment our own abilities, not to replace us. Let's consider the many industries where AI is already making a difference. In healthcare, AI algorithms are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even developing personalized treatment plans. In education, AI is being used to create adaptive learning environments that cater to the individual needs of each student. And in agriculture, AI technologies are helping farmers optimize their crops and reduce waste. But even with all these advancements, AI is not infallible. It can and does make mistakes, just like we do. It's reliant on the data it's been fed, and if that data is flawed or biased, the AI's output will be too. This is why it's crucial to maintain human oversight in AI decision-making processes. So, contrary to the image of a cold, calculating overlord, AI is more akin to a helpful assistant, one that is constantly learning and improving, but that still requires our guidance and input. So, AI isn't our overlord in waiting, but a tool that we continue to shape and refine. So the next time you hear about AI, remember it's not a sci-fi monster. We've journeyed through the labyrinth of misconceptions and stereotypes, dispelling myths of rogue robots and omnipotent AI. We've shed light on the reality of artificial intelligence, an invaluable tool, a partner in progress, a catalyst of innovation. It's not here to replace us, but to augment our abilities, to make our lives better. Artificial intelligence is here to assist, not usurp, so let's embrace it, understand it, and use it wisely.
Like, subscribe, and press bell button to join us for Learn About AI. And be notified of new uploads.